Hi friends, here is another great book. I picked this one because it has really wonderful pictures. This book is called The Waterhole, written by Graeme Base. Inside of his illustrations you'll find many hidden things. I hope I can get a picture close enough so that you can stop the video and search for all the wonderful things he has hidden inside of his illustrations. Let's get started.
Down to the secret water hole the animals all come. As seasons bring forth drought and flood, they gather there as one. United in their common need, their numbers swell to 10. But hidden deep among the trees lies 10 times that again.
One rhino drinking at the water hole. Snort, splosh, delicious. Two tigers lapping at the water hole. Grrr, goodness gracious, how very delectable. Three toucans squawking around the water hole. Ark, ark, ark! It's party time, fellas, drink up! But something was happening. Four snow leopards gazing at the water hole. Purr. We must be careful, brothers. The pool was getting smaller. Five moose wallowing in the water hole. Moo, moo, moo-wee. Hey, get your hoof out of my ear. And smaller. Six catfish floundering in the water hole. Blub, 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 blub. And smaller. Seven pandas sipping at the water hole. Tusk, tusk, tusk. After you. No, I insist. Eight ladybugs meeting by the water hole. Bzzwee. So, in conclusion, ladies and gentle bugs, I propose we establish a subcommittee to report on the water level crisis before the end of the fiscal year. All in favor say bzzwee. 9 tortoises lumbering around the water hole. Scrumph, scrumph, scrumph. Okay, which of you wise guys hid all the water? 10 kangaroos looking at the water hole. There was nothing to say. The water was all gone. All the animals went away. Then a shadow fell across the sun. Clouds began to gather. A single drop of rain fell. It rained and rained and rained and rained. And all the animals came back. Ooh-la, ooh-ya, wahoo, yippee!